Start by ensuring your eyelids are properly cleansed with our advanced 2% tea tree eyelid and facial cleanser. Remove the foam pad from eye cup. Moisten one white fabric pocket in drinking or bottled water. Activate one Instance gel pack by clicking the metal disc inside, generating heat. Then place the gel pack into the moistened white fabric pocket. Place a moistened pocket with activated gel pack into eye cup. Place over your closed eyelids and wear for up to 20 minutes. After your treatment, remove the white fabric pocket and harden gel pack. To wash the white fabric pockets, use a mild soap and warm water after each use. Rinse well, squeezing the extra moisture out, and air dry in the included mesh bag. Once all of your Instance gel packs have been used and have hardened, reset them back into a liquid state by placing them in a boiling pot of water. Boil for 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring the gel packs are completely submerged. Once liquefied, remove the Instance gel packs with a spoon and place on a towel to cool.